Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon because today AutoVibe channel brings you a complete look at the Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026 built for real work and dependable performance across the United States market. The Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026 continues its long-running reputation as a tough full-size commercial van designed for businesses, contractors and delivery services that value reliability above everything else. This model stays focused on strength, capability and proven engineering, making it a trusted partner for demanding daily use. Under the hood, the Express Cargo 2026 offers strong engine choices, including a standard V6 that delivers dependable power for everyday hauling and an available V8 option designed for heavier payloads and towing tasks. These engines are matched with a durable automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifts and consistent performance in city traffic and on long highway routes. Payload capacity and towing strength remain key highlights of the Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026, allowing owners to move tools, materials and equipment with confidence. The rear-wheel drive setup provides stability under load, while the available all-wheel drive system improves traction in snow, rain and rough job sites. Its body-on-frame construction adds durability and helps the van stand up to tough commercial environments year after year. Inside the cargo area, the design is spacious and square, maximizing usable volume. A low-load floor combined with wide-opening rear and side doors makes loading and unloading quicker and more efficient during busy work schedules. The Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026 is offered in multiple wheelbase and body length options, giving buyers flexibility to choose the right configuration for their specific business needs. From construction and plumbing to delivery services and mobile workshops, this van adapts easily to many industries. The interior cabin is built with practicality in mind, using durable materials that can handle daily wear and tear. The driver-oriented layout features comfortable seating, easy-to-read gauges and simple controls that help reduce fatigue during long working hours. Technology in the Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026 is functional and business-focused. The infotainment system supports smartphone integration, allowing drivers to access navigation, calls and audio without distraction. Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports keep devices charged and connected throughout the day. Safety features include stability control, traction control and a rear-view camera, which help drivers stay confident in traffic and tight loading areas. Available safety options further support awareness when operating in crowded urban environments. Ride quality is tuned for stability and control, especially when carrying heavy cargo. The suspension system is engineered to handle weight while maintaining predictable handling and a solid feel on the road. Braking performance is strong and reliable, helping drivers maintain control even when fully loaded. Fuel efficiency is balanced with power, making the Express Cargo 2026 a sensible option for businesses focused on long-term operating costs. Customization is another major advantage, since the cargo area can be easily upfitted with shelving racks, partitions and storage systems. This flexibility allows owners to organize tools and equipment efficiently, improving productivity. Maintenance and ownership benefits also add value, with wide service availability, affordable parts and strong resale value, reflecting its proven reliability. Overall, the Chevrolet Express Cargo 2026 remains a hard-working, dependable solution for American businesses that need strength, simplicity and long-lasting performance. Subscribe to the channel for more vehicle reviews and stay connected with AutoVibe channel for the latest updates and insights.